I'm going to finish up here with an idea, what I'm going to call business process maturity. If you look at this particular screen, you're going to see basic business processes: order to cash, procure to pay, design to deploy, and hire to retire. Those are common business process threads in any manufacturing company. So in this particular model, what we're trying to do is evaluate where are we today in terms of maturity, and where do we want to be in terms of maturity in the future. Now, what I mean by maturity is on this next chart. And here are 5 different levels of maturity. Best-in-class companies are at level 5, although the large part of the industry are only at level 2, 3, or 4. So the idea here behind this model is to take these criteria and then apply them to your business processes. And here's an example of that. In this particular heat map, we see quote to cash, procure to pay, idea to release, the engineering column, plan to produce, and inspect to scrap. And within each one of those, we have the major processes, such as quoting, order, allocation and pricing, fulfillment, shipping, invoicing, and cash receipt. So what we've done in this particular company is we've gone through their processes, identified them in this map, and then we've gone and graded them as to where is their strength. In this case, they only have one level 4, which is their design and their CAD system. It was at an engineering intensive company, and they spent a lot of money there. But you can see they're not really very well in quote to cash and their customer service. They're not very good in their terms of procure to pay, and even bad in quality. So you can really see a lot of things by taking this approach to your particular business processes. I would think about going through this particular process and using it to explain to management the weakness, so that you could get a page that looks like this and then another page that has in where you really want to go. Now, let's talk about just getting prepared for change. Here's some things that I suggest you do. First of all, I suggest everybody think about establishing a team of business process owners, taking those business process owners and really documenting and inventorying your current state. Get educated on best practices, and then work together as a team to basically define future state processes and identify the value of those future state processes to the business. That'll help you create and finish off a project charter that you can then use to get the project funded within the company. This is a journey that I find that we put many of our clients on. It's that business process model that I just talked about, going through the business processes and evaluating them, going through a technology selection, and then an implementation, and then eventually the business transformation, driving a real true improvement. But this is going to get you to where you need to be to get closer to best in class, or get to best in class with modern information systems.